Surah Al-Baqarah. Verse 6. Indeed, for those who disbelieve, it is the same whether you warn them or not. They will not believe. Verse 7. Allah has set a seal upon their hearts and upon their hearing, and over their vision is a veil. For them is a great punishment. Verse 8. And among people are those who say, we believe in Allah and the last day, but they are not true believers. Verse 9. They seek to deceive Allah and the believers, but they deceive only themselves, and they realize it not. Verse 10. In their hearts is a disease, and Allah increases their disease. For them is a painful punishment because they used to lie. In verse 11. When it is said to them, do not cause corruption on the earth, they say, we are only reformers. In verse 12. But surely it is they who are the corrupt, but they do not realize it. Verse 13. When it is said to them, believe as the people have believed, they say, should we believe as the fools believe? No, it is they who are the fools, but they know it not. Verse 14. When they meet the believers, they say, we believe. But when they are alone with their devils, they say, we are with you. We were only mocking. Verse 15. Allah mocks them and prolongs them in their transgression, wandering blindly. Verse 16. These are the ones who have purchased misguidance in exchange for guidance, but their trade was profitless. Short summary: disbelievers, sealed hearts, no faith, hypocrites, hidden disease, lies, mockery, lost the true guidance, gained nothing. Hadith. There are 3 signs of a hypocrite. He lies when he speaks, breaks his promise, and betrays trust. Guidance points. True faith is not just speech. It must live in the heart in actions. Hypocrisy is a hidden disease. It grows if left unchecked. Corruption can wear the mask of reform, but Allah sees through every lie. Mocking believers or faith is a sign of deep internal misguidance. The worst trait is to give up guidance for false pride or deception.